Hello, so we're going to show you how you can create a real estate listing post with AI. And these days things are just a lot easier to do where you don't have to do so much or overthink it. And in social media, one of the things that we call post delay syndrome is the fact that you can't. Okay, that won't work. All right, hello, we're going to show you how you can post real estate listings, creating real estate listing posts for social media using artificial intelligence just to make life a lot easier. And this is because there's high demand for people to know how they could create social media posts without thinking too much. So we're actually using an AI tool right now, a content creator tool. And we'll be able to show you an example of how you could do that. And let's go into it. So here we're going to pick a listing that has 3 beds, 2 baths, 1 full bathroom, 2 living rooms, natural gas. Let's see, what else can we add here? Parking spaces, parking garage. Let's do a 3-car parking garage next to children's park. All the good stuff. What else can we add in there? Let's see what's in here. Looking at a property here that we can add some stuff into. 3 beds, basement included. Let's do basement included. And again, this is when you have, if you're a realtor, looking to create posts. All right. So as you can see, 4 beds, 2 baths. So 1 full bath, 2 living rooms, natural gas, 3-car park garage next to children's park. Basement included. Shopping not too far. Shopping nearby. Shopping mall nearby. All right. So now we're going to do this, and let's generate this. Let's see what comes out over here to meet that. Wow, look at that. And so you can see it says, welcome to my family home. Excuse me. I'm a 4-bed, 2-bath beauty that's perfect for your family. My natural gas fireplace is perfect for snuggling around in the winter. And my 3-car parking garage will make sure you always have a spot for your car. Plus, I'm located right next to a children's park, and there's a shopping mall nearby if you need to do some shopping. And don't forget about my included basement. It's perfect for your storage needs. So come on over and take a look at me today. Wow. There's no way I could have thought about that. And so that's how you could do, for example, a residential post listing. Now, you could also use this for commercial properties. I've noticed you could use this for commercial properties. So let's put out some commercial property specs here. This is, let's say, an executive office, professional suites available, 3 conference rooms. Let's see, 3 conference rooms available, 3 conference rooms. What else do we have here? Next to busy interstate, or let's say next to downtown, located downtown. Let's see what else. What other perks can we put in here that are just great for offices? Common bathrooms. Busy route, okay. Downtown, common bathrooms. Busy route, great exposure, ADA compliant. All right, so this is let's say a commercial listing. Executive offices, office rental. So we know it's being rented. So let's do that. and generate that and see what comes out. Welcome to your new office space. See, this is so dope. Welcome to your office space. This is executive office is perfect for the professional who wants to be located downtown. There are 3 conference rooms available as well as common bathrooms. The route is busy and provides great exposure. This space is ADA compliant, making it perfect for any business. So as you can see, there are tons of ways that you can go about creating posts like this without having to overthink it and overanalyze when you have an AI tool that could do it for you. So it's one of the benefits of artificial intelligence. And so there are tons of AI content tools there that you could go out and get, but this is a very brilliant way to create these kind of posts, whether you're a realtor or whether you're a social media person for realtors. This is some of the things that you can use. So hopefully this is helpful. And if it is, please feel free to comment in the comment section, I should say, how this has been helpful to you, and feel free to subscribe to get more tips. If you like our video, show us the support. We definitely appreciate it. Take care.